Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, especially our clients and customers from Zambia. We want to actually help you towards your energy independence. We want to help you towards sustainability and also to have control of your energy bills. So what we do is first, as a first point, we do energy management or energy audit, which is a process at which, together with you or us visiting your premises, your place, your industry, or your farm, we come to understand how you are utilizing the energy that you have. Also, we would want to understand some of the equipment, some of the devices that you'd have that depends on energy for its functions, for its operation, or for it to make your life easier. So once we understand that, then we go towards energy optimization and energy efficiency. So we look at ways in which you can actually reduce your total energy budget that is needed. Once you do that, you've optimized what you have. Some of the examples is that moving from the conventional and traditional lighting systems and moving towards energy efficient and LED lights that actually consume less. It has been shown that this can actually reduce your energy bills to start with. Other aspects comes with you utilizing the energy efficient devices that are there for refrigerations, for deep freezers, or go full throttle on solar products that are directly linked to energy being produced from the sun and feeding your devices. You have got TVs, you have got pressing irons, you've got refrigerators, and the list is endless. Apart from that, then we go into the design. So if we follow your energy trends, that is your purchase and use of energy towards the years, of course 2 years has proved to be sufficient to look at your behavior in a year, then we can actually design a system, optimize a system towards 100% renewable. If you have got utility connected, what it means is that you are able to have utility as a backup. So for instance, if you are paying about 1,500, 2,000, 1,800 or 500 of energy, you drastically reduce that to the mandatories, which is you've got to pay for your TV, you've got to pay for the service that the utility is providing you with the connection. And if it's for those that are building new houses, those that are actually starting to organize their farms, starting to actually do the actual farming with regard to requiring energy, then from the word go, you can actually have a full system designed and installed that can make you self-sufficient. One question that you might have is that, will this system able to give me enough energy that I need throughout the days, throughout the year? The answer is actually yes. Because in the design phase, we actually look at the production pattern for your place. We do this by getting the actual coordinates of where your place is, where your house is, where your farm is, where your industry is. Once we do that, then we actually use commercial softwares, software like PVSys, software like OMAS, software like SumModel, and many more that are within my boundary to actually look at the production. We go a further on to look at what is your payback period. if you invest in the renewable energy, which is solar and 100%. Some of the systems can actually have with it integrated in hybrid mode a diesel generator. But of course, once we optimize the design, you find that throughout the year, you will not need to use this diesel generator. We've done a system that is 100%. Other systems that we've done have got ZESCO as a backup, but this one is 100% and has been in operation for so many months in the cold season, in the rain season, and the system has been able to provide the residents with energy 24 hours. And this is for all loads inclusive a pump, pressing iron, cooking, and all the activities that go with the energy consumption. So it is at this juncture, at this venue, that we encourage you to think about energy towards having a solar system that will actually save you a lot. In a situation where you even have a borehole drilled that gives you water, you don't have a service line from water companies, then you actually move away from the need to pay for water bills, the need to pay for electricity bills. So this gives you the autonomy, the independence, the control that you actually require to move your life even further towards financial freedom. Because if you are able to save, you have control of your prices, you have controls of your expenditures, then you are able to have a lot of disposable income that you can use to get other things that you'd want. So it's a wise decision to actually move towards alternative source of energy. And also in Zambia, like many other African countries, we've realized that to supplement what the governments are doing, what the utility companies are doing, it also comes to us as individuals to look at this aspect, make decisions, invest. Then we are going to have a society that is energy independent, a society that have got access to energy. It does not have to be grid connected energy supply. Off-grid systems will be there to give you the energy that you need. So on behalf of everyone from North Voltage Engineering, which you can see by our logo here, we want to thank you for the decisions and the journey that you are going to take, either with us as North Voltage Engineering, also with other companies that are there. We are a team. We are not actually competitors. We are a team to give you a service, to give you options that are there. So from me, thank you for listening. Thank you for taking your time to actually go through the message and information that I've given you. Thank you very much.